and welcome to my channel The Virgo Compass. In my last video I have explained you about my Srinagar trip, and this vlog is all about the Gulmarg one. I'm gonna explain in details what all things you can do in Gulmarg, where to stay and yes, how to reach that place. So, अभी हम निकल रहे हैं गुलमर्ग के लिए एंड हमारी गाड़ी आती होगी, हम नेक्स्ट 1.5 घंटे में पहुंचेंगे गुलमर्ग। क्या आप एक्साइटेड है गुलमर्ग के लिए?
Amazing. Gulmarg is the best place to die at.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for getting all the updates regarding my next videos. So let's start with the first question, which is how to reach Gulmarg. So there are two ways. Either way you can go for local transportation or you can choose your private vehicle. A private taxi will take around 2500 to reach Gulmarg. क्या आप ये बर्फ की चट्टानें देख पा रहे हैं? हो रही। And if you are taking a extra cut to the Drang waterfall, they will charge you extra for about 700 to 800. It's been the most beautiful waterfall I've seen. I feel the frozen waterfall. So if you're coming from Tungmarg to Gulmarg, the bus will charge you around 50 to 60 rupees, and to reach Tungmarg you can take a shared sumo from Srinagar, which will again cost you around 80 to 90 rupees. अभी हम जा रहे हैं व्यू पॉइंट की तरफ। सो बेसिकली गुलमर्ग जब आप जाते हो इसके रास्ते में ही आता है। 5 मिनट को यहाँ एक्सप्लोर करेंगे क्योंकि हम लेट हो रहे हैं स्की करने के लिए। वाला पॉइंट आ गए हम जहाँ से हमें अपनी गाड़ियों में चेन चढ़ानी होगी, बिकॉज यहाँ से ऊपर गाड़ी स्किट हो सकती है, काफ़ी बर्फ़ है। सो वी आर ऑल सेट फॉर डे 1 इन गुलमर्ग। हमें मुदस्सिर नाम के भैया मिले, वो हमें स्की सिखाएंगे आज के लिए। यार पिछले साल हम जब आए थे काफ़ी खाली था, इस बार काफ़ी भरा हुआ है, बट ठीक है। Still it's fun. For skiing you have to typically pay 500 rupees for the equipments and 2000 rupees for a trainer, and if you're dividing a trainer among maybe 2 or 3 people you can split your charges.
किसी मंजर पर मैं रुका नहीं, कभी खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं, कोई जुदा है तो मैं खफा नहीं, शहर एक से गांव एक से लोग एक से नाम एक।
गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम जा रहे हैं गंडोला फेज़ 1 करने। लेट्स सी एक्सपीरियंस कैसा होता है। Gondola cable car, usually it's divided into 2 phases, phase 1 and phase 2, which is the Afarmat. For phase 1 gondola you have to pay 740 rupees, which is for ski you have to pay at least this amount, but if you are going just one way and maybe you are coming down via a sledge or any other mode, then you have to pay around 370 rupees for one way, but it's not applicable for the skiing person. And for phase 2 it's around 950 rupees.
Into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high, but I remember days I wondered
bikes in Gondola, which happens in phase 1. So there are basically 4 categories for a snow bike, starting from K1 to K4, and the prices will vary from 1200 to 3500.
Yeah, I do remember.
ATV bike charges, it's basically a 9-kilometer ride around Gulmarg, and they will charge you approx 2000 rupees for the whole ride. Luckily, I was doing it with my friend, so he also asked me to drive this whole bike, but usually you have to sit behind.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized.
Also, you can roam around the market of Gulmarg. It's not pretty big, but there are several souvenir shops, and maybe you can buy some Kashmiri food and clothes. And at last, don't forget to have amazing coffee or maybe a Nutella bread from Black Bear Brew. It's amazing cafe just situated at the Gulmarg bus stand. So Dido's, it was our second visit and an incredible and amazing experience as usual. So if you are Booking.com Genius member, that's a thumbs up for you, because Nido's will upgrade your room to a cottage if you're booking a normal room. So at a price of a basic room, we actually got a Lupin cottage, and isn't it beautiful? So Gulmarg have very less options of eating outside, which I mean at the night or maybe during breakfast. Either you have to go to the specific slopes or where you are doing your snow activities, or you have to go to the market. But usually the good properties are situated little far from that market, so all your food will be done in the property itself. There was an option where you can pay at the property and take your breakfast, but the property was ready with the rates which Booking.com was asking. So there was some kind of miscommunication and gap, which make sure if you are booking through Booking.com, you clear it out. Definitely, we didn't had a chance to visit the Igloo Cafe, which has been opened in Gulmarg. But don't forget, if you are going to Gulmarg, do give a visit to that place. 4 different experiences. Finally, phase 1 Gondola हो गया. That was the only motto of coming to Gulmarg. Otherwise, snow तो हमने इससे ज़्यादा देखी थी पिछले साल. All went well, and मिलते हैं फिर अगले साल. Not bad. Bye bye. Bye bye भैया. If you're planning your Srinagar trip, point number 1, please consider having a postpaid SIM of any connection. Prepaid SIMs won't work there. Only the local prepaid SIMs will work in Kashmir. Along with that, please make sure you're having a travel insurance, or you have at least made a refundable flights. Or if you're booking your flights, make sure you have seen the weather forecast, because it's very important. We have been charged double because we had to book our flight the next day, and our flight got cancelled due to the sudden snowfall. I'm signing off from Gulmarg during winters in 2021. Till then, you stay tuned for the next video, and thank you for watching my video.
Till we care to dream.
हम उस टाइम मुश्किल हो जाएगा ना उसका, तो इसमें बेहतरीन जो बेस्ट चीज़ है वो आगे देखें. Look forward. और 2 चीज़ें.
और ये है हमारा आलू का पराठा विद अचार. ये छोटू बच्चा मनत को सिखा रहा है. हाइपर स्टेबलाइजेशन 2.0 आपका